Meat and diabetes, is it a dangerous combination or a powerful tool for blood sugar control? Many believe that meat raises blood sugar levels and leads to complications, but is that really the case? If you're diabetic or pre-diabetic, you might wonder, which meats are safe and which ones should you avoid? The truth is, some meats can actually help regulate blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and support overall health. And before we dive in, make sure to grab a copy of my ebook, Eat to Beat Diabetes, where I share expert-approved food lists, delicious recipes, and meal plans designed to keep your blood sugar in check. Download it now from the link in the description. Now, let's break down the 8 best meats for diabetics and how they can help you lower blood sugar naturally. Salmon, the ultimate omega-3 powerhouse. Salmon is one of the best meats for diabetics because it is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Glycemic impact 0. Zero carbs, meaning no blood sugar spike. Health benefits. Supports heart health, important for diabetics. Improves insulin function and reduces insulin resistance. High in protein, keeping you full for longer. How to eat grilled, baked, or pan-seared with olive oil and a side of non-starchy vegetables. Want more diabetes-friendly meal ideas? Download Eat to Beat Diabetes now for easy-to-follow recipes that stabilize blood sugar. Skinless chicken breast lean protein for blood sugar control. Chicken breast is one of the leanest sources of high-quality protein, which helps maintain muscle mass and regulate blood sugar. Glycemic impact 0. Health benefits. Keeps you full without spiking blood sugar. Boosts metabolism, supporting weight management. Low in fat, making it ideal for heart health. How to eat. Grilled, roasted, or air-fried with herbs and spices. Avoid sugary marinades. Turkey, a lean meat for balanced blood sugar. Turkey, especially skinless turkey breast, is another fantastic lean protein source for diabetics. Glycemic impact 0. Health benefits. High in protein, keeping blood sugar stable. Rich in tryptophan, which improves sleep and reduces stress, important for diabetes management. Supports muscle health and metabolism. How to eat. Baked or grilled with vegetables, or as a low-carb turkey wrap using lettuce instead of bread. Many people think red meat is bad for diabetics, but grass-fed beef is a completely different story. Its glycemic impact is 0, making it a great choice. Grass-fed beef is higher in omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid, which help reduce inflammation. It's also rich in iron and B vitamins, boosting energy levels and metabolism. Plus, it helps regulate blood sugar by supporting muscle growth. For the best results, choose lean cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or top round, and avoid processed red meats like bacon and sausages. Sardines are one of the best seafood options for diabetics. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients. And guess what? Their glycemic impact is 0 too. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, sardines improve insulin function. They're also high in calcium and vitamin D, which are great for strong bones. Plus, they help lower bad cholesterol and support heart health. You can enjoy them grilled, canned in olive oil, or added to salads for a nutrient boost. Need a diabetes-friendly meal plan? Get Eat to Beat Diabetes now for delicious blood sugar-friendly recipes. Eggs are an amazing source of high-quality protein and healthy fats that help regulate blood sugar levels. Their glycemic impact? 0. Eggs contain choline and lutein, which support brain and eye health. They also keep you full, reducing the chances of overeating and help improve insulin sensitivity. Enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or as an omelet with non-starchy veggies. Bison, a leaner, healthier alternative to beef. Bison is a superior alternative to regular beef because it's leaner and higher in essential nutrients. Glycemic impact 0. Health benefits. Lower in saturated fat compared to conventional beef, rich in iron, zinc, and vitamin B12 for energy and immune support. High in protein, keeping blood sugar stable. How to eat grilled, roasted, or pan-seared as burgers or steak. Venison, a wild meat for blood sugar control. Venison or deer meat is one of the leanest and most nutritious meats for diabetics. Glycemic impact 0. Health benefits. Low in fat but high in protein, making it ideal for blood sugar control. Contains high levels of B vitamins and iron for better metabolism. Supports muscle maintenance without excess calories. How to eat grilled, roasted, or slow-cooked for tenderness. How to make meat diabetes friendly. Not all meats are created equal. While these 8 meats are great for diabetics, how you prepare them matters just as much. Avoid deep frying, sugary marinades, and processed meats. Choose grilling, baking, or air frying with healthy seasonings. Pair your meats with fiber-rich veggies and healthy fats to slow down glucose absorption. Want a complete diabetes-friendly food guide? Download Eat to Beat Diabetes now. It's packed with expert-approved tips, recipes, and meal plans to keep your blood sugar stable. Which of these meats is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more expert-backed diabetes tips. Download Eat to Beat Diabetes for exclusive meal plans and food lists. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.